Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to make a compact spreadsheet in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. Sometimes the spreadsheet becomes very large and it's no longer convenient to scroll through it. In this case, the first thing we can do is reduce the width of the cells. Select the entire table using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A or click on this triangle on the left. Then we hover the cursor over the border between the two columns and double-click. And the width of all cells in each column is aligned with the width of the largest cell in the column. Not bad, but what else can we do? Since most of the time the header is the widest part of the column, we can rotate it a little. Select the row with the headers, click the orientation button, select the angle counterclockwise option, and the row with the headers has rotated. Next, we select the entire spreadsheet again, and as in the first case, reduce the width of the entire table. As you can see, this table has taken the most compact form. And if that's not enough for you, then we can click the Format Cells Alignment button and select the angle of rotation of the headers in the selected cells in the window that opens, which will reduce our table even further. And that's it. Now in Automate,